Yoam Jabor here, and I'm going to talk to you about recording sounds with a device like a phone, a smartphone, or a handheld digital recorder. So you're going to look and listen around the house, indoors and outdoors, for interesting sounds, and use the Voice Memos app or something similar that records sounds on the phone, or just use the hand recorder. Try to keep that phone as still as possible as you record. And you want to try to breathe out of your mouth slowly so that it doesn't pick up the sound of your breathing. Always be safe. This is a nice ambient sound, so a continuous sound that fills the space. So if you're using one of my digital voice recorders, you can stop the video now. And if you're using a phone, keep watching. So we're going to get into renaming and uploading files to Google Drive. And first you have to make sure you have the Google Drive app on your device, so install it if it isn't already there. And sign in to Google Drive with your account. Now I'm going to my file in my recorder and I'm going to rename it using my name and then what it is, like bird or wind or car, and then the date, January 18th in this example. Click on those three little dots and hit share, and then drive. Choose your account, and then choose the right folder, so you'll have your folder with your name. And then click Save Here at the bottom right. And then you click on Upload. And then when you see that blue bar go up, you've done it. Now if it's not already shared with me, then you should share it with me, and I'm showing how to do that here. But yours will probably already be shared. In case you need to, you open the Drive app, click the three little dots next to the folder that you want to share, and then this is my email for sharing for this project. So it's gj.ai.fileshare@gmail.com. And you can pause the video obviously or rewind it if you didn't catch that. So click the little send arrow on the right, and then you're done and you've shared the folder with me. Don't forget to rename and upload all your files for the project so that it's all in one place. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck with the project.